Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create and customize email template on Mailchimp. If you're not familiar with Mailchimp, basically Mailchimp is a platform that allows you to create email marketing, and obviously if you would like to promote yourself or your business, you're going to want to create an intriguing as well as an interesting design so that your customer will be able to get interested in taking a look at your product or your business. And you can elevate the look of your email marketing by using Canva, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First things first, you're going to want to click on create on your Mailchimp dashboard, and then you're going to have this bunch of options that you can do, and we're going to click on email. And for now I'm just going to go ahead and click a regular email. And then here we're going to want to create the name for the email, so I'm just going to name it promo, and then you can go ahead and click on begin. So now you can start by adding the recipients of your email, and you can go ahead and create your contact manually, or you can even import contacts to Mailchimp. Now once you're done, you can go to the email design. So go ahead and click on design email, and here they have a bunch of email templates that you can use. You can definitely start creating your email from scratch if you want, but if you would like to go ahead and use some templates, you can also do that. Say that for now I'm just going to go ahead and use this ones right here. So this is the gallery email templates, which allows me to add 2 pictures as well as a button. But don't worry, because we don't have to use every single element on the template. You can definitely alter it to however you want it to be. So before I alter the templates, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the logo as well as the 2 pictures. Now this is where we're going to go to Canva. So with Canva you can actually create everything in one place. Let's say we want to create our logo first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click create a design, and then click on this logo options right here and start creating my logo. So let's say that the logo is going to be a logo for bakery. And what we can do with this is that we can either create a very simple logo like this one's right here. So it's just basically a wordings, or you can also go to Canva apps, search for logo such as this logo maker one, and then create your logo through there. So we're going to try and create one logo with one of the app, which is this logo maker one. And let's say that again I want to create a logo for a bakery. So this is going to be cookies and dessert bakery. Then you can go ahead and click on create, and now we wait until the logo is finished creating. Alright, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, it created not just the picture or the symbol, but it also create some wordings for me. It is not perfect, but don't worry, you can always edit it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and enlarge it, and then I'm going to edit the text so that it looks better. Now one way to do it is go to the edit image and then go to magic eraser. So let's say that you want to remove this wording, you can just go ahead and run this eraser on top of the wording, then go ahead and click on erase. And as you can see, and now the text is gone, I can add my own text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on text and try to find some font. So I guess this one looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And let's say I'm just going to name it Sweet Bakery. And then I'm going to go to effect and make it curvy like this. And I'm also going to make it smaller so that it's not overpowering the picture. And you can also adjust the curve. So I'm just going to make it a little bit more outward like so. Alright, so this is going to be my logo. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this logo as PNG. Next, after the logo, we have 2 spots for some pictures. So the next thing we're going to create is actually some email banner. And if you are not sure on what kind of banner you would like to create, don't worry, you can always try to find for some inspiration from Canva template. So go ahead and type in email banner. And here we got a bunch of email banner that we can use. So let's say I want to use this minimalist one. And then I'm going to go ahead and click customize. And I'm actually going to use the same font with the one that we use for the logo. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one and then paste the font. But I'm not going to make it curvy. I'm just going to make it something like this and then make the text bigger. So it looks something like this. And then I'm also going to add another text box into some things like this. And then I want to add some elements. Let's try to search for bakery and see what we'll find. So we got a bunch of this element and I'm going to just put some and scatter them on my email banner. Alright, so it looks something like this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this page and design my second banner. So let's say this one is going to be an announcement for the discount rate. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on share and download both of these images. Alright, now that we got our logo as well as 2 email banners created, we can finally go ahead and upload it to Mailchimp. So here, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the logo section, because that is going to be the one that we upload first. And then you're going to want to click on set logo and upload your logo pictures through there. And this is how it looks like. And then you can also settings on the alignment of where you want your logo to be. Just going to go ahead and choose on center. I don't want it to be too big, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it smaller by clicking on this small dot on the bottom right of my logo. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert the picture by clicking on the picture section. Click on add and upload your first pictures. And then do the same thing with the second image. And as I've said earlier, you don't have to use every single thing you got from the template. So if you don't want to use any of the sections, all you have to do is click on the sections you don't want to use and then go ahead and click remove block. And if you would like to add some more section, you can just go ahead and take a look at this selections of content that you can add. And for example, if you want to add a paragraph, you can just go ahead and click on the content you want to add and then drag it on where you want it to be. So let's say I would like to add some text explaining about what people can get. Right, for example, I want to say enjoy your first purchase on our bakery and get extra discount by showing this email, or something like that. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and link all of your social media if you want, which is going to be super helpful, so that if people would like to know more about your brand or about your product, they just have to click on the sections right here, and you can go ahead and connect it by clicking on the social media sections and enter all of your social media link through here. Now once you're done with your email templates, you can go ahead and send a test if you want, or you can just go ahead and click save and exit. And now once you're ready and done to send your email, you can go ahead and click on send. And once you're done, you can go ahead and take a look at how your email looks like. So you can go ahead and click view email in browser so that you know how the email looks like in the inbox of your receiver. So this is how it looks like. And that's basically it. That is how you can create an email templates on Mailchimp with the help of Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.